It's the truck that built America's job sites, the one that pulls the weight when others tap out. It's been the best-selling vehicle in the US for over 4 decades. And now, in 2025, it's smarter, tougher, and meaner than ever. This is the 2025 Ford F-150. And this year, it's not just ready for the work, it's ready to rewrite the rules. At first glance, you might think Ford played it safe, but look closer, because the details tell a different story. The front fascia has been completely resculpted. Sharper LED signature lighting that now runs full width across the grille. A redesigned front bumper with active aero vents. New trim-specific grills that range from chrome-laden luxury to blacked-out battlefield. And yes, the Pro Access tailgate is now standard on more trims, letting you open the tailgate like a barn door, even when hitched to a trailer. Practical? Sure, but it's also damn cool. Under the hood, the 2025 F-150 brings powertrain versatility like never before. The base 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 now outputs 335 horsepower and improved torque thanks to tuning borrowed from the Bronco Raptor. The 5.0-liter Coyote 1.8, still naturally aspirated, now pushing 420 horsepower and sounding richer than ever. Want torque? The 3.5-liter PowerBoost Hybrid now boasts 570 pound-feet, improved towing, and extended electric-only mode for city work. And of course, there's the Raptor and Raptor R. Supercharged, snarling, unhinged. We'll get to them, but hold tight. This year's surprise? A new EcoBoost Max engine, a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 diesel alternative designed for long-range towing. Quiet, efficient, built for high-mile drivers. Inside the cabin, everything's been redefined. The old 8-inch base screen? Gone. Now every F-150 gets a standard 12-inch digital display with Sync 5, faster, sharper, fully customizable, and now compatible with Ford's AI co-pilot assistant. The optional 14.5-inch screen is like a tablet on your dash. But what matters more is how intuitive it's become. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Check. Split-screen multitasking? Check. Over-the-air updates that actually improve performance and features? Double check. And yes, the Max recline seats, the interior work surface, and the Pro Power onboard generator are still here. Because this isn't just a truck. It's a toolbox on wheels. Towing? Up to 13,500 pounds with the right setup. Payload? Just under 2,500 pounds. And the onboard trailer assist now includes 360-degree AI path prediction, meaning the truck can reverse a trailer better than most humans. The hands-free Blue Cruise system, expanded for 2025, working on over 150,000 miles of US highways, with auto lane change, auto pullover, and driver attention monitoring that's actually helpful, not annoying. This truck doesn't just work hard, it works smart. Now let's talk style. The 2025 F-150 lineup ranges from blue-collar basics to boardroom bosses. The XL is still the dependable workhorse, now with smarter fleet tracking options. The XLT gives you comfort without compromise. The Lariat and Platinum, quiet cabins, real wood, massaging seats, luxury that tows. The Tremor, off-road capable with 33-inch tires, locking diffs, and trail control. The Raptor, 37-inch KO2s, live valve Fox shocks, and a desert-shredding sole. And the Raptor R, still supercharged, still insane. Now with launch control, and here's the twist for 2025. A new trim called F-150L TX. A fusion of Lariat luxury and Tremor toughness. Think executive truck with trail armor. Yes, it's real, and it's already creating buzz. So who is the 2025 F-150 really for? It's for the worker, the weekend warrior, the off-road adventurer, and the daily commuter who just refuses to drive anything soft. It's for the tech lover who still hauls drywall, and the family man who tows a boat and beats Teslas off the line. It's not trying to be a car. It's not trying to be a lifestyle brand. It's a truck. Still, always, only now, evolved. The 2025 Ford F-150 doesn't change what made it king. It just builds on the empire, with more brains, more brawn, and more reason than ever to stay loyal to the badge. For the full breakdown, trim comparisons, and real-world reviews, subscribe to Acer Rider, where every engine tells a story and every mile means something. This is Acer Rider. See you at the next job site.